So the absolutely gorgeous Minnie Dlamini has been on the spotlight lately after McG publicly disrespected her on his podcast, Podcast and Chill with McG, questioning or rather making statements about Minnie's VJ smelling bad. Now, this was during a discussion about Minnie Dlamini having separated from her ex-lover, Dr. Brian Monaisa, who is also said to have collected back his car after the two have broken up. Hola, hola, Ndwana Zami. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel, South African TikTok Moments. Let's get straight into it. So McG's sayings went viral. This is probably a benefit to him, as many people viewed this episode, with some finding humor in it and some leaving comments of anger, as the whole thing seemed very undermining and disrespectful towards Minnie. So this wasn't the first time that the podcast, or McG rather, had spoken in an unpleasant way about Minnie. Take a listen to this.
Shocked. I remember there was a time she was the face of like a big alcohol brand, right? Mm-hmm. And they weren't renewing her contract. So she slept with like the brand manager or one of the top guys.
Oh.
So they renewed her contract for the
you see, you had files,
face.
Mossy.
You had files.
You had files.
Yeah.
She was the face of an alcohol brand.
Yeah, very expensive one.
A whiskey.
Champagne.
There's so many stories going around. Because even with when she was, well, apparently also, allegedly, is that she was cheating with her the ex-husband when she was with Kune. Because that's another story I heard.
Oh, when she was with Kune,
yes.
the richer nigga was
the
Mr. Jones.
Yes, Mr. Jones. That's
Jesus
another.
Christ.
Gee,
Yeah.
it's wild.
And one of the DSTV bosses, you see now, like, it kind of goes in the whole story. Like, she also was when she was cheating on the husband, she was with a DSTV boss.
Hey, man.
One of the
Kumnandi
DSTV
car.
executives.
Wait. What, a DSTV boss?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's wild, bro.
So now, this is not nice, man, you know, 'cause especially when you think like how some people always get gigs and whatnot, you know what I mean? I don't care who they sleep with, but when you hear now bosses of channels and you know, it's, and then you look back
that's
at
how
the
she
work.
got, well, they're saying apparently that's how she got, you know, her show, you know.
Yes, and that's my thing, bro. Like, I don't hate it girls. Like, listen, we're all hustling. However you get your money, it's up to you, it's your body, you can do whatever you want,
Yeah.
right? But don't sell us a dream, a
Let's
lie.
got this shit on merit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, there's no difference between Minnie and Zoto Abantu. They're both selling pussy. One owns it, one doesn't. Do you get what I'm saying? And that's where my issue is. It's like, if you're selling pussy, just say, yeah, I'm selling pussy. That's how I get my shit. Kudos to you. Who are we to judge? We're not God. We're all hustling. We're all trying to get
But does
money.
she owe anyone an explanation though?
Yeah, like you see, like
She
for example,
does
Big Explicit.
because she paints herself as the saint and as this person who works hard for money. And imagine how many girls want to be like Minnie Dlamini or Mithali.
And they
Until
don't
they're
know
selling
the actual-
false dreams.
So honestly, at times, it feels like McG really has it in for Minnie. Take a listen to another short audio of something he said about Minnie.
So if you're in the industry,
but that guy
everybody
apparently is in the
knows
industry.
what these 8 girls get up to in the industry, bro. No one in the industry is going to marry Minnie Dlamini because we all know what she's been up to.
Now, to make it easier or to give you a clearer picture of what was said on the podcast, which led to mixed feelings on the socials, listen to this.
Yeah, tell us about that story, Ghostman. What happened? Let's start there.
Man, what's going
Yeah,
on?
what's going on with Minnie Dlamini,
What's
bro?
going on over there?
So I saw a post from Dr. Monaisa, Brian, confirming their breakup. So just saying that they broke up. Is that what?
Yes,
is there
yes,
something
yes.
deeper?
No,
that is
we're
happening?
asking you, like, what happened? Is it infidelity?
No. He said no. He said on his post it said there was no infidelity involved. They just broke up. It was out of just an agreement together.
No, man,
they
something's going to be
parted
wrong with
ways.
Minnie, bro.
I also feel like
No,
not
guys,
Minnie.
I'm
It's both of them. Why Minnie?
No, I'm saying... What did he say? I missed that. I was like,
No, he's not that kind of doctor. He's loaded. He said he can't date Minnie with X-ray money. No, he does BBL. He's like plastic. He's a plastic surgeon, Mama. Those guys print money. He does the BBLs. You know, now girls don't have to go to Turkey. They could just go to Monaisa. And I don't know, he does the things. He creates bodies, man.
my thing is, Minnie's pretty, bro.
Yeah.
But
Minnie's beautiful.
Why can't she keep a man?
No. I think I'm suspecting with this guy. I don't know with the other guys, but with this guy, I feel like maybe he had a fantasy. Because Minnie was like the hot girl. Remember, there was a period where she was the girl.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I feel like maybe that's when the doctor was still coming up, still doing x-rays there.
Yeah,
you know what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah.
And now he's got it. And maybe he just wanted that experience. That's how I see it.
Bro-
We will never know because we went inside. But I feel like maybe it's that. And he realized that, okay, what now?
Yeah, I have a friend who wants that experience. See, I know you're watching. We spoke about it.
With who?
After this guy, it's me. Kiki lying.
You're out of line, man. Oh, you want to date Minnie?
Yeah, or
Damn.
yeah, le ba mmala or le nna ke shit. Le na naja.
Bro, I'm telling you, man, there's got to be something wrong with her. Like maybe a coochie smells or something, bro.
Yeah.
You know this happens, though. It happens, bro.
No.
Especially with the hot girls.
What if she can't cook? Why does it have to...
In fact, why does it have to be her? Maybe he's the problem.
Okay, Kune.
Eh?
Kune didn't work out, but also Kune is not perfect. I mean,
Kanti a le re le ko
Didn't
DStv.
Didn't Kune pay for him? Pay for her
A le
lobola.
ko DStv le bolela ka dilo tsa nkga mo a le DStv.
nah. This is definitely not, this one is definitely not going on DStv, man. You know?
What's your take?
But we spoke about it. Modimo ga se first fatlo a o fa le ngcondo.
Oh yeah. We were talking about ass, and that he said most girls with ass don't have brains. So I think he means like the beauty now.
Yeah.
So you think she doesn't have brains?
I don't know. Ke sharp. Because ke sanya ka audience ya ka e tle ko di show tsa ka.
How? Your audience, or they pretty women?
Yeah, they're pretty.
I don't know, man. Like I think just putting it all on her is it's why we're putting it on her? What if the guys have been faulty as well? What if the guys have been faulty? Yes, she's an it girl, fair enough, you know. Has always been, but what if the niggas are also like fucked up? I mean, how many? We know 3 niggas. 3 niggas she's dated.
What's the
And
you
this
saying?
guy, no, I'm saying he even bought her a car for Valentine's Day.
Okay,
You
maybe
know,
I
so
will
the
say.
Huh?
I will say maybe.
I didn't get that.
I didn't get it.
Why are you laughing? At you
Okay,
didn't get
ke ha monate gante.
it? Oh,
Okay, spedi ka spedi go ra ha bose na ha monate gante na. Why ba vaya?
Hey.
Ish.
Why wena o vaile?
Nah. Oh, it just didn't work out, man. And I was a mess, you know?
Oh.
It was my fault.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, they don't
And
come
I'm
with
not,
it.
but I was a mess.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe that's the same for Minnie as well. And
Yeah.
this doctor.
Nah, I feel like the doctor just wanted to date Minnie Jamini. You know? Like we all
Yes.
did at some point.
Yes.
And some guys we outgrow that, and some guys they want what they want, you know. And when you know, like wait till I get my money right. And then he's also from a divorce, and he thought, him nand, you know, and you know. So that's what I feel.
And
man.
he just likes posting also. That just made it for me. Like this guy literally is chasing clout as well.
And oh yeah, he wanted that celebrity. He wanted to be
He
famous.
wants that stardom.
Yeah.
And also, it's good for his business because a lot of girls don't even know you can get a BBL like locally.
On another
so when
post.
so girls who follow Minnie, a lot of them sometimes also want this BBL.
So,
And so when they see her with
O mo loketse marao.
Now, as I had mentioned, this led to a lot of backlash for McG and his podcast, with the podcast having recently gone into a partnership with MultiChoice. Mind you, MultiChoice has distanced itself from the statements that were made on the podcast. Now, women's group Women for Change had also come to Minnie Dlamini's defense, stating that McG's content and his comments were vile and dehumanizing. Also stating that the channel was no longer controversial, but rather it was dangerous, among many other things that they had stated. Now, the Deputy Minister of Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities, Umapaseka Letsege, has condemned McG for his behavior. Now, the Deputy Minister has stated that McG's remarks have infringed on Minnie Dlamini's rights to equality, dignity and personal security. She also stated that McG was disrespectful and abusive towards Minnie. So now McG is to appear before the Parliament's Portfolio Committee on Women, Youth and Persons with Disabilities to explain himself. Now, non-compliance could lead to a fine or 12 months imprisonment. So what are your thoughts on this matter, South Africa? We know that our country doesn't tolerate abuse or human rights violation. So does this carry enough weight to be taken to Parliament? Let me know in the comment section below.